Happy May the 4th, everyone. Being the unofficial Star Wars Day, figured it was the perfect day to reveal my coronavirus project. I've been working on this all of last year and most of this year so far. It's been a passion of love, something I've wanted since I was a very little kid. Hey, you're giving it away. Well, I guess we should reveal it. So let me introduce my friend, R2D2. R2 is pretty much completely 3D printed. I printed them on two Ender 3 printers and CR10S, as well as my resin printer. It's a longer orange 10. He's still got a lot of work to do when the weather's a little bit more stable here. We'll be weathering him. I need to print his interface arm. On this side, his little grabber arm. We'll make sure to print videos of or make videos of all those. R2 is controlled with the Padawan 360 controller, so I'm able to drive them and control sounds through a regular Xbox 360 controller. Files come from Michael Badley. He's got an amazing set of files for R2. I'll make sure to put a link to his Facebook page as well as his Patreon page. Even though there's a lot more work to do with him, we figured we'd take him out for our first test drive today. I hope you like this quick little video of our first test drive with R2. I don't know about you, but I'm going to go have some Ronto wraps and watch the first episode of The Bad Batch.